Namaste all. This is Dr. Rukma Rajendran from Divine Veda. Today I am going to discuss on the topic Yoga Asanas for migraine as well as the lifestyle modifications for migraine. As in our previous videos, we have already discussed more about migraine, its difference between other headaches, and the phases of migraine, its symptoms, and its treatment protocol according to Ayurveda, home remedies, and the dietetic changes. And those videos link you can find in the description box given below. Migraine is not just an headache. Your lifestyle has a lot to do with the frequency as well as the intensity of migraine. Here are some of the lifestyle modifications which can prevent or lessen the intensity as well as the frequency of migraine attacks. They are:
establish a proper sleep pattern. Sleep helps in boosting your immunity and promotes deep relaxation. So always follow a regular sleeping schedule. That means going to bed and waking up at the same time every day. Maintain good posture.
Before that, let me ask you some questions. Do you have hunchback shoulder? And is your spine straight? For the answer, you can check yourself throughout the day and also check your posture.
Poor postures like bending down over the mobiles, laptops, and computers can strain your neck, head, and shoulder muscles, which leads to migraine.
Some of the posture corrections are:
sit straight in your chair with your lower back supported. Choose a chair that supports your spinal curve. Rest your weight on your hamstring muscles rather than your tailbone. Keep your head and torso in line by sitting at a distance at least a foot away from your laptop or computer screen. Top of the monitor should be at your eye level. Hold your shoulders at back and relaxed.
these adjustments in postures can help in reducing the intensity as well as the frequency of migraine headache.
Avoid strong smell. The migraine sufferers will be more sensitive to things like smell, sound, and light, and this extra sensitivity is due to the increased activation of specific pain receptors in brain. So avoid strong light, smell, and sound. Stay hydrated. When there is dehydration, osmolarity of brain increases, that is, the water becomes more concentrated. With this, some receptors will be activated, which induces the pain. For this, drink 1 cup of water every 2 hours if you are awake for 16 hours a day. Eat healthy. The link is in the description box given below. Do daily exercise. This will ultimately reduce your stress.
Yoga is an ancient technique that promotes the holistic lifestyle with a combination of postures and breathing patterns. Practicing yoga daily will help in reducing the intensity of migraine attacks, as migraine is caused due to the excessive stimulation of brain and its blood vessels, which finally results in pain. The pranayama and the yogasanas with backward bendings can be a useful tool in warding off the migraine headache. As the diaphragm expands, the lungs open up and we inhale more, resulting in better oxygen supply to the brain and relieving us from the pain. The yogasanas which has to be followed in migraine are
Bhujangasana, Cobra pose, Ushtrasana, Camel pose, Setubentasana, Bridge pose, Sarvangasana, Shoulder pose, Shishuasana, Child pose, Hastapadasana, Standing forward bend, Padmasana, Lotus pose, Shavasana, Corpse pose. Practice 2 to 4 rounds of Surya Namaskaram in the morning along with Nadi Shodhana Pranayama, as Surya Namaskaram helps in keeps the body energized, and most of the asanas for headache is also there in Surya Namaskara. And the benefits of both the asanas and pranayamam can be attained in this series of postures. You can practice single nostril breathing For that, practice left to left breathing for right sided headache and vice versa. You can also practice meditation by holding your both the hands in Mahasir Mudra. For that, place your ring finger into the creases of your thumb and attach the middle finger, index finger, and thumb together, and also extend your little finger. And it can be done for 5 to 15 minutes daily. This will increase the blood circulation.
Yoga is a way to make us resistance against migraine better and should not be practiced as an alternative for medications, but it has to be continued with the medications. And also practice yogasanas under the strict supervision of the experts. Migraine is not a chronic illness, but definitely we need to follow a disciplined lifestyle to ward off this condition. Until we meet next time with a new topic, this is me, Dr. Rukma Rajendran, signing off. Take care, stay home, stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you.